So today, two main things have happened for me. One, my thermal camera finally came in, or at least my replacement thermal camera, the Seek thermal camera. I've already done a review on my main channel about this, but pretty much it's a really nice thermal camera. That's really all I gotta say about it. Has a 206 by 156 microbullimeter on there that can detect thermal heat signatures on so much stuff. It's just really cool. It's a really nice thermal imager. Pretty much any other thermal camera on the market is going to cost about the same price and have about a quarter of the quality. And if you go up about to $5,000, it's still going to be about the same quality. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this. I accidentally dropped my first one, and half the pixels fell off the image chip, so it was making a really nasty image. But it was still under warranty, so I had it returned. I'm going to be a lot more careful about this one. Maybe that's one difference between the $5,000 model with the quarter image size compared to that one, which is $200. Maybe it's the build quality. That one, maybe you could drop it off a building and it'd still be okay. But I don't know. If you know much about how microbullimeters are made, I don't give much value into that possibility, because I don't know if they can really make that much stronger. And the other thing is a little bit of info on my quest to make reproduction and homebrew NES games for my NES. Well, I bought this Intel Universal Programmer a while back from Weird Stuff Warehouse, and I'm going to be going more in depth about this on my main channel, but this is just kind of like what I've been doing today. I've been figuring out, like, how am I going to program chips with this? Turns out I found the manual for it on the Intel Museum, because it's an Intel device, and there's not many Intel devices, so it's kind of easy to sift through. And I discovered that this, what they call a personality module, I think? Personality unit? Personality module? I can't remember. Personality something. Yeah, it didn't say on here. Oh well. But yeah, that's pretty cool. This thing can handle up to 9 different different chip types, and one of them happens to be 27128. 27128, which it would be better if I could have 27128A, because 27128A uses 12 volts to write it, and 27128 by itself uses 21 volts to write the data to it. So that means if you get a 27128 chip and you put it in here, it'll blow it up. It'll probably pop the cap off and make fire. But if you get the 27128, which it's made for, and you put it in here, I can program up to 128 kilobit games. And I would have to say, like 80% of the Nintendo NES library uses 128 kilobit ROMs. So there'll only be a few games, really big ones like Kirby's Adventure and stuff like that I couldn't copy. And I'm not interested in most of those, but it'd be kind of interesting. So it means that I can actually write the microchips, or the EEPROMs, erasable programmable read-only memory, with this device. Now the big issue is actually getting information into this machine. So that's going to require me having probably a DOS machine and have a parallel port going to it, and I'll have to make sure this thing actually runs. If not, I might just buy a $30 chip programmer, and I'll probably put the innards inside here, because that'd still be cool to have the innards inside here. Because even if this thing doesn't work, I want to still use this for programming chips. So I might have it to where I just take all the insides out, which it has an entire computer inside there already, so it's probably an Intel 8008, which is actually a pretty rare processor. So that'd be pretty cool just to have that out and do something with that. But yeah, looking into that quite a bit, and I'm finding more documentation, and I'm finding better ways to do it. So pretty much I just have to figure out how to write my own program to send stuff to it, or see if I can find another program that works. Or I can find the original program that goes with it. Who knows? Well, I think that's pretty much it for today. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. See ya!